I know many of you are struggling to make extra money right now. I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 fast with no money at all. So stay tuned and let's get started. One way to make $100 fast with no money at all is to look for online opportunities that pay you for completing small tasks or surveys. Some websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars are great places to start. You can also look for freelance jobs online such as writing, graphic design, or virtual assistant work. You can also try to offer services like dog walking, lawn mowing, or babysitting in your local area. Additionally, you can look for ways to recycle or sell old items you no longer use or need, as this can be a great way to make some quick cash. So those are just 5 ways to make $100 fast with no money at all. I hope this video has been helpful and I wish you the best of luck in your endeavors. Take care and see you next time.